Are you interested in fiberglass RVs? And more specifically, are you interested in escape fiberglass RVs? I'm back at the Retro Renos shop in Jacksonville, Florida. I'm here to learn all about the relationship with escape travel trailers. Do they sell escape travel trailers? Can you visit Retro Renos to view an escape trailer? Can you pick up your escape trailer here, even if you purchased it in BC? Do they do warranty work? Today I'm chatting with Dan and Steve, the co-owners of Retro Renos, to get answers to all of these questions and more. So we're standing in front of an E23, an Escape 23 today, and you guys have an affiliation with Escape. So tell me a little bit about that. What's that all about?
So in June of 2024, we were able to become official partners with Escape Trailers. This allows us to be able to sell and work on and do warranty work down here in Jacksonville, Florida. So you don't have to go to Chilliwack to see a trailer, an Escape trailer. You can come right here to our lot here.
Dan explained that back in 2024, Retro Renos and Escape Travel Trailers entered into an agreement that made Retro Renos the one and only sales representative in the United States for Escape trailers. This had suddenly made escape trailers much more accessible for people living on the East Coast. So, how did this come about? How did this partnership happen where you suddenly decided oh, we're going to see if we can partner up with Escape and start being a sales rep?
Met them at 3 years ago at the Florida Eggs and Schmore rally here in Florida at Live Oak, Florida, in the spirit of the Swanee. And they were there as a sponsor. We were there as a sponsor. We talked a little bit then. We started doing small amounts of warranty work for them. Relationship grew, and kind of just bloomed into something awesome, really.
Yeah, and so they were looking to try and maybe have some type of footprint, I think, in the States, and also just being able to have a reliable warranty shop, and we were able to be that for them and be their resource, and then it kind of just became something that they were like, hey, let's see if we can make this a bigger partnership, and we were able to solidify that in June. We go up there for training once a year, so we get to hang out with the engineers and all the guys building the trailers and see the ins and outs and what's coming out, what's new, what's the things that they're running into roadblocks. We also get to talk to them about what we see on our side. And what's great about Escape is that they listen to their customers. They make sure that they're always improving their product, and they're always trying to give out the best product as possible.
Nice. Here's a brief look at the joint announcement that was released by Escape and Retro Renos when they first started this partnership.
Hello everyone, my name's Steve from Escape Trailer. Today is a very exciting day for us as in conjunction with Retro Renos from Jacksonville, Florida, we are officially announcing our exclusive partnership between our two companies. And I would say we actually met because we had a couple of customers who we sent over to Retro Renos for warranty work, and our customers were absolutely thrilled with the work they've done. We've been absolutely thrilled with their professionalism and the work that they do. So this relationship for us is just a seamless fit, and we're so excited that you guys are going to get to experience it on a larger scale now.
Whether you're looking to buy a brand new Escape camper or looking for a pre-owned Escape, or if you have an Escape and you're just looking for some modifications or renovations or upgrades, that's what Retro Renos does now with the partnership, and we are super excited to be a part of this thing.
Even if you didn't use us as your sales rep, a lot of people, if you're working with a BDR sales rep up in Chilliwack, will still get their trailer delivered here because we do offer the orientation, right? Instead of driving all the way to Chilliwack, they're a little bit closer for them maybe. They come here, we do a full walk around scope of your trailer. We walk inside, go through everything with you, and not only the orientation, but we do an inspection when it lands, basically like a double down of quality control. Make sure everything's working before you get here. Also offer driving services.
Yeah, that's right. So if you bought it from a salesperson up there, or you bought it from us, you can get a training course. So we will take you through hitching up your trailer, driving down the road, backing up, going on the highway, and then pulling it into a driveway and then backing it out of the driveway as well. So we try to make sure that when you leave this lot, not only that you will feel comfortable about driving a trailer, especially if you're a first-time camper owner, but you're also confident behind the next camping adventure that you have.
So, okay, so if someone wants to buy an Escape, do they go through you guys? Do they go through Escape? How does that work?
Excellent question. So currently the BDRs or the salespeople up in Escape can sell anything on our lot and on their lot, right? And so the same thing is here with us. We can sell anything on their lot, and then you can sell anything on our lot. So we are just a sales rep here.
Yep.
In Jacksonville, Florida, basically. So if you're looking to purchase one and you have any questions about it, you can reach out to us and go to our website, and we can help you out with purchasing, walking you through a build out, any questions you may have with the build out. And the difference is that we are able to talk to you about a couple different specs. We've worked on these trailers, we've seen the ins and outs of these trailers. So if you are looking for some more specific questions, we might be able to help you out.
And there's still factory direct, just like they would be if you're going right through Escape as well.
Yeah. And as we're walking here, we can see some of the Escape trailers that you currently have in the lot. And are these waiting for the owners to pick up, or?
So it's a little bit of everything, right? We've got at any given time, we roughly have about anywhere between 5 to 10 Escape trailers on the lot. Sometimes a little bit more than that. We have like this one right behind us is spoken for. It's a used 23 Escape that as soon as it hit the lot, it was sold.
Yeah.
Right? Before it even got to the lot,
yeah.
They had it ready to go for the next client. So that one's waiting to get picked up. We have a brand new 19 right over here that came down from Chilliwack, and on its way down it was spoken for, so it's waiting to get picked up. That is our 23 that we do for shows and touring right over there. If you guys follow along with us on our Florida tour, that was the one we took on that tour.
Nice.
We have an inventory model 17 foot right here, and then a used 19 foot right here, which is in its inspection period. Basically when they come in and they're used, we go through a full inspection, get them recertified. We just filmed a video about how we do that, which we, stay tuned, it'll be coming out pretty soon. And then we have a 5.0 in the back behind this one that was a little bit of warranty work, taking a look at a couple things, and then we're doing some upgrades to that one as well.
Awesome.
And then if you look over here in the corner, there's another Scamp over here. So actually the 19 foot that's right behind you that's brand new is owned by the same person, because what they did is they brought this in. We do consignment sell for people.
Okay.
And so they brought it in. We're helping them consignment sell this one, and they purchased the brand new 2025 19 foot right behind you.
Nice. If you still have more questions about Retro Renos and their service offerings, I'm sure they would love to hear from you. They are some of the friendliest people that I've ever met. I'll include some links to their social media in the video description below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. It really does help us out. And don't forget to come back tomorrow to see where we go next.